So, for your performance test, sasend ko lang sa inyo yung website. Ito, copy mo lang to. And then, ipipaste nyo lang. Tapos, enter mo lang. Tapos, pindutin mo lang tong start test. Kanina, nakapag-try na ako, which is, ito yung aking nakuwang score. Nakakuha ko ng 46 words per minute, and then, 100% accuracy, meaning to say, walang typo. And then, yung net speed ko ay 46 words per minute. So, once na hit nyo na yung ating minimum requirements dun sa ating performance task, ang gagawin mo lang, mag-picture ka, mag-selfie ka na, at ituturo mo lang yung na-meet mo yung score mo at kung ilan yung score mo. So, ang kailangan lang natin for easy test, which is 35 words, and then sa medium test, which is 30 words. So, hanggat hindi mo pa na kukuha yun, gawin mo lang, retake ka lang, retake. So, dito lang retake. And then, once na na-meet mo na yung easy test, palitan mo lang dito for medium text naman. So, ganun lang kadali yung ating gagawin. Ang focus or